Hi, today in front of me Motorola One 5G8 and I'll show you how to create home screen folder on this device. So if you want to create the new folders on your home screen, you should just hold the application and then drag this up to another one. And by this way, we can see that we'll just create successfully the new home screen folder. If you want to give a name to this folder or rename it, just click here once on the name and enter the new one. For example, let's add the apps, tap to OK, and as we can see, we just successfully renamed them. Just to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and just drag it. To remove the application from the folder, hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove the application from the folder from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. By the same way, we can remove all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold and drag to remove, but after that you'll find them here in the apps menu, so don't worry. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.